go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How was your day today? I wish that today will be a great day for us. And in this week, we already entered to the third week of the fasting day. Are you still spirit for doing fasting? Of course we must spirit for doing fasting and worship in this Ramadan holy month. And by the way, when we talk about the Ramadan days, this already the second Ramadan which we do during the pandemic COVID-19. And the school also still going with the online learning. And we know that during the pandemic days, most of us still bored in the home. We are doing the online learning every day and also not meet with the friends and doing another activity that usually we do outside the home in the home, right? Maybe a short holiday is the answer for us. But to take a short holiday, we don't need to go to the other country or the other city. We can go to our city, right? As we know that Jember city have many beautiful and recommend destination. And today I will let you know about one of famous destination in Jember city. Let's go. Yes, this is the Gambir Mountain. Gambir Mountain is the one of its destination in Jember city from around 2019. Many people come here for healing and also refreshing their mind and their heart, because in this destination served with the beautiful view and also the fresh air. Therefore, this destination suitable for refreshing and also for healing. Before that, in this mountain full with the beautiful view of the tea garden, and also we can see the view of the plants, the flower, and also the small river under this bridge. Here there are many of substations that made towering like this. Up here, we can see all the beautiful view and also can hear the sound of the bird song and the sound of water from the river. Indeed, this is right that this place can for healing and refreshing. This video taken when we go down to see the waterfall there. So this waterfall located not far away from the first place that we visited earlier. It's only 300 meters away. Okay, now I will enjoy the beautiful view here, and I hope you also can try to get here, because it's really refreshing and heal our mind from the problem around us, and also from the disease of the online school to maybe. And maybe that's all from me.